exchange are all going down this Friday, 22nd of January. It was actually the same situation earlier today on the Shanghai Future Exchange. Actually, they're all going down after having been up across the board a day earlier, while the markets generally seem to be taken like a break after the enthusiasm we saw after the US presidential inauguration this week. If we look at the 3 months prices on the LME, we can see that copper is losing 1.75%, trading at $7,892 a ton, after we saw a high of 8,034 earlier this morning, so it's going quite down actually. The aluminium price is losing roughly 0.9%, trading at $1,982 a ton. Zinc is losing 1.25%, trading at $2,675 a ton, while nickel is the biggest loser this morning, losing 1.85%, trading at $18,040 a ton, while lead is losing, similar to zinc, about 0.9%, trading at $2,017, and tin is losing 1.5%, trading at $21,735 a ton. On the precious metal market, we can see gold is also down by 0.6%. The ounce is trading at $1,857. Silver is down 0.2%, trading at $25.39 the ounce, while platinum is off by 0.4%, trading at 1,109, and palladium is only losing slightly 0.1%, so quite unchanged at 2,360. On the currency side, we can see that the dollar index is also going further down, is consolidating after we had 3 days of weakness this week, and the US dollar index is quoted right now at 90.16%. So the euro against the dollar is quite unchanged, trading at 121.72. On the key data calendar today, on the economic calendar, we can see that the UK GFK consumer confidence showed a reading of -28 for January, after we saw a -26 reading in December. Earlier today we had also from Japan the PMI, which actually dipped down to 49.7% in January after it was at 50 in December. Later on today we will have the data on the UK retail price sales. We will have data on the UK's public sector. We will have flash services. The manufacturing PMI data will come out across the European Union, and the United States will come out with US data on crude oil and also on natural gas inventories. So base metals are definitely looking quite mixed this morning, all on the downside. Tin and nickel are really consolidating after recently fresh highs which have been set up, while copper, aluminium and lead are oscillating more or less sideways as they actually continue to consolidate below their recent highs. But zinc is the one looking the weakest because it keeps breaking after support levels, so that is one of the main reasons why we could see there definitely further corrections. Although we remain long-term bullish toward the base metals, we have to be prepared actually for some counter trend moves along the way, which is something we discussed already this week a couple of times, and we'll also have to look at the stricter lockdowns in many areas, which may of course prompt also more profit taking in the market. Have a nice weekend.